Shoots! Ooh, went too deep into the goalie here. Another shot. Nothing doing. Here comes Hogan. Taking a look around. Ooh, Farrell chips it ahead. Down the ice come the Riptide. Farrell still got it. Up the boards. Serio circling. He's got Dennis. Tries to take it inside. Dennis puts one on net, just wide. Klugerman chips it. Papard in the corner, looks to center. Hogan just wide. Serio, he's got, and they ice it. Here comes Hogan. Up the boards to Papard. Papard taking it into the center. Going wide. Turning for a shot. Backhand. No good. Up to Farrell. Can't find the handle. Serio knocks it in. Farrell takes it in the corner. Ooh, headed for the slot. Another big save. To Farrell. Another save. In the corner it goes. Dario bombs one on net. Dennis picks it up in the corner. Wyatt. Out to the point. Here comes Farrell. Beats him wide. Ooh, takes it in. Oh, trip! Where's the penalty shot? Give him the penalty shot. Oh, he's got robbed on the penalty shot. Out to the point. Gavin passing it over to Dario. A little slow on the shot there. Out to the point, Dario back in the corner. Dario pinching. Puts it back in the corner again. In front. And Dennis battling. Gavin puts it back in. Here comes the puck. Oh, nice toe drag. He's wide open in front of the net. Oh, yeah! Woo! Farrell tying the game. Beautiful backhand. One to one. Riptide getting lots of opportunities. Great goaltending out of Simi today. Silverstein shutting down almost everything. Only one shot finding its way home so far. Out of the zone for an offside. Into the zone comes Simi, dumping it on net. Covered up. Out of the zone comes Slate. Pushing it a little close to the D. And he gets it taken away. Over to Hogan. To Lawrence. back into the zone. Klugerman picks it up. Off the boards. Can't quite clear the zone. Here comes Klugerman with some speed. Up to Serio. To Lawrence. The Serio-Lawrence combination's been working well throughout the playoffs. Zach, go to the bench! Oh, Klugerman circles the net. Yeah, nice stuffer. Klugerman putting the Riptide on top. Oh, it's Farrell. Farrell with the second goal of the game, putting the Riptide on top. Dario. Out it comes to Gavin. Gavin dumps it in the zone. Strange bounce off the boards. Farrell picks it up. Takes it wide. Backhand. Oh, the rebound is there. Can't bury it though. Here comes Farrell. Circling. Beats two guys. Looks at the net. Shoots. Ooh, nice save. They ice it. Lawrence picks up the puck in the corner. Back checking. Ooh, nice passing by Simi. Klugerman blows a tire. Luckily, they can't pull the trigger. Why is Zach on his back? Comes over to Slate. Oh, Lawrence skating it. Oh, he does headman it finally. Serio taking it in. Bouncing. Lawrence gets stick lifted. Down the ice it comes. And it's an icing. Oh, Benny almost jams home a rebound. Papard digging, no dice. Simi goalie really playing a good game, holding him in this game. Lots of Riptide opportunities denied. Excellent goaltending all game long so far. Circling the net. Oh, in front it came. Nobody home. Gavin puts it up the boards. Battle in the neutral zone. Out it comes. Dennis taking it himself. Taking it wide. Benny going to get it. He's looking to pass. Out it comes. Here come the Titans. Uh-oh, Gavin blows a tire. Wow, Bennett with a good back check. Good save by Zach. Oh, here comes Lawrence flying down the wing. Serio scrambling to catch up. Lawrence, side of the net.